Good morning, students. Welcome you all in this new session and this new class. You are in class 11 and we are going to start today. I am VK Rai. I will be taking your English classes. So today we are not going to teach anything. We will simply, I shall discuss with you the syllabus and question paper pattern. Students, CBSE has made a lot of change this year, especially in question paper pattern. So let us discuss. This question paper will be 100 marks, but out of these 100 marks in the examination you will get only 80 marks question paper. The rest of the 20 marks will be tested for ASL, that is assessment of speaking and listening skills. That would be like a practical. Out of these 80 marks, the question paper will be in part A and part 2, two parts. Each part will comprise of 40 marks. Total weightage for reading section is 26 marks. Out of these 26, there will be 3 questions. One question 10 marks, second 8 marks, and third 8 marks. These two will be in part 1 and the last reading section will be in part 2. 26 marks in all. Writing section, there will be 4 questions in writing section, and this writing section will be only in part B. There will be 1 notice, 1 poster, 1 business letter, and 1 speech or debate. Out of notice, there will be 2 questions, out of which you will answer only one. Poster also, you will answer only 1 question out of 2. Similarly, in letters, there will be 2 letters. You will have to answer only 1, and speech or debate, out of these 2 only you have to answer 1. Notice and poster will be 3 marks each, letter 5 marks, and debate 5 marks. I shall tell you in detail the word limit and how you have to write. Then grammar, only 2 grammar areas have been taken, others deleted. Tenses and determiners. Determiners, you know, articles and other determiners. So there will be 2 questions only, and type of question will be gap filling and reordering of sentences. Reordering, which uses jumbled words and phrases. So 8 marks for grammar. 26 reading, unseen passages. 16 marks writing. 26, 16 and 8. Then your literature, that is textbook part. This textbook part, that will be also divided into both the parts of question paper, part A and part B. In part A, there will be 14 mark questions from textbook, and in part B, there will be 16 mark question. Total weightage given to literature is 30 marks. Okay. Then name of textbooks, most of you must have purchased these books. There are 2 textbooks, Hornbill, that is main textbook. Then other one is Snapshots, a supplementary reader. In the very beginning, I would like to tell you, no student will buy any private publication. There are some books in markets where they have written it is according to NCERT syllabus, but they are not NCERT publication. So buy only the books which are published by NCERT without any solution. In other books, solution of the questions are given there, so please do not buy them. And there are some books also, they are very bad, I feel very cheap books, where you have Hindi version of the text, paraphrasing of the text, and you have questions and answers, sometimes written in Hindi. Students, you are studying English, and if you don't develop the habit of thinking English and reading English, then that will be very bad for you and you cannot score good marks. So buy only NCERT publications. Okay, I shall share with you the question wise marks and word limit. Okay, so separately I will share you. For the time being, this is only, and when I take your class on the Google Meet right now, I shall share with you exact question wise paper pattern, which question how much marks and in how many words you will write them. So join at the given time. Let us join for actual virtual class. So thank you so much, and then note down all these things in your notebook. Thank you.